If you've ever nibbled on a crisp celery stalk, you might have thought of it as just a low-calorie snack, perfect for dipping in peanut butter or adding a little crunch to your salad. But don't be fooled by its humble appearance or watery texture. Celery is more than a crunchy companion to your favorite dips. It's a powerhouse vegetable that has been prized for centuries for its medicinal properties. From ancient Egyptian remedies to modern superfood lists, celery has earned its reputation as a versatile health booster. Whether you're a wellness enthusiast or just someone looking for an easy way to improve your diet, celery deserves a spot on your plate. Let's explore the 10 remarkable health benefits that make this green stalk a superstar in the world of nutrition. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. One of the most impressive health perks of celery is its high antioxidant content. Celery contains flavonoids, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, all of which help fight oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells, overwhelm your body's natural defenses. Over time, this imbalance can contribute to chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By regularly including celery in your diet, you're equipping your body with a natural army of antioxidants that help neutralize these harmful molecules, keeping your cells healthier for longer. Number 2. Supports heart health. If you want to keep your heart pumping strong, celery can be a surprising ally. Celery contains a compound called PHT halides, which has been shown to relax the tissues of the artery walls, promoting better blood flow and reducing blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading risk factors for heart disease and stroke, so foods that help maintain healthy circulation are incredibly valuable. By munching on celery regularly, you're not just enjoying a crunchy snack, you're also supporting the long-term health of your cardiovascular system. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to serious health issues, including arthritis, diabetes, and autoimmune diseases. Celery contains several anti-inflammatory compounds, including lutein and apigenin, which can help reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Incorporating celery into your meals can therefore serve as a gentle, natural way to manage inflammation and support overall wellness without the side effects sometimes associated with medications. Number 4. Promotes digestive health. Have you ever noticed how crunchy celery is? That's not just satisfying, it's also a boon for your digestive system. Celery is high in fiber, especially insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to your stool and promotes regular bowel movements. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy gut, preventing constipation, and feeding the beneficial bacteria that reside in your intestines. A happy gut can improve nutrient absorption, enhance immune function, and even influence mood. Adding celery to soups, salads, or smoothies is an easy way to keep your digestive system humming along. Number 5. Aids in weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply maintain a healthy weight, celery is your crunchy companion. With just about 10 calories per stalk, celery is an extremely low-calorie food, but it still provides a satisfying crunch that helps curb cravings. Its high water and fiber content mean it fills you up without adding extra calories, making it a smart addition to any weight-conscious diet. Snacking on celery or adding it to meals can help reduce overall calorie intake, which is one of the most effective strategies for weight management. Number 6. Supports hydration. Celery is over 90% water, making it a fantastic food for staying hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for almost every bodily function, including digestion, circulation, temperature regulation, and even cognitive performance. Eating water-rich foods like celery not only contributes to your daily fluid intake but also provides electrolytes such as potassium and sodium in natural, balanced amounts. Especially in hot weather or after exercise, celery can help keep your body hydrated while providing valuable nutrients. Number 7. May help lower cholesterol. High cholesterol levels are a risk factor for heart disease, but incorporating celery into your diet may help manage cholesterol naturally. Studies suggest that the flavonoids and fiber in celery can reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, levels while supporting HDL, good cholesterol. By promoting better cholesterol balance, celery contributes to healthier arteries and a lower risk of cardiovascular problems. Think of it as a crunchy, tasty investment in your heart's future. Number 8. contains essential vitamins and minerals. Celery may look simple, but it's packed with nutrients your body loves. It provides vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health, as well as vitamin A, folate, potassium, and even small amounts of vitamin C. These vitamins and minerals support everything from healthy vision and strong bones to proper muscle function and immune defense. Eating celery regularly is an easy way to add a variety of nutrients to your diet without consuming excess calories. Number 9. May help regulate blood sugar. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for energy, mood, and long-term health, and celery may play a role in this process. Its fiber content slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to prevent spikes and crashes. Additionally, certain compounds in celery may enhance insulin sensitivity, which is particularly beneficial for people at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Regularly including celery in meals can therefore help keep blood sugar levels more balanced, supporting overall metabolic health. Number 10. Supports detoxification. Celery has been celebrated in traditional medicine for its natural detoxifying properties. Its high water content, combined with antioxidants and phytonutrients, can support liver function and help flush out toxins from the body. While the term detox is often overused in popular culture, it's true that a diet rich in water, fiber, and antioxidants, like celery, helps your body efficiently eliminate waste and maintain cellular health. Think of celery as a natural partner in your body's ongoing maintenance program. Celery might seem like an unassuming vegetable, but its health benefits are anything but small. From protecting your heart and reducing inflammation to supporting digestion, hydration, and metabolic balance, this crunchy green stalk is a true nutritional gem. Whether you enjoy it raw, roasted, juiced, or blended into soups and smoothies, adding celery to your diet is an easy, delicious, and effective way to boost overall wellness. So next time you're looking for a snack or a salad topper, remember, celery isn't just filler. It's a powerhouse of health waiting to crunch its way into your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.